Today I'm going to discuss about teacher directory. So this is one of the requirement. This requirement we can implement by using a Django web framework. Okay, so this is a requirement. So in this requirement, they provide us one data set also, like some profile information. So this is called a teacher directory. So a client has required to create a app containing all the teachers in a given school. So this is the first name, last name, profile picture, email address, phone number, room number, and subject. So these are the attributes. Now look at the requirement now. Teacher can have the same first name and the last name, but their email address should be unique. Okay, so in this given data set, teacher name will have same first name and last name, but this email address must be unique. Okay. So the directory should allow the teachers to filter by first letter of the last name by our subject name. So we can search by teacher first name or last name or subject. By using any of these three, we can search about the teachers. You should be able to click on teacher to directly open the profile page from you can see the details of the teacher. So once the profile is found, then we can click the profile pic, then we will get the details of the teacher. Okay, so an importer will be needed to allow teacher detail to be this in the bulk. So okay, so importer means in the programming we have to load this CSV file. This CSV file, so that is this Excel sheet. So this Excel sheet we can load by using importer function. Okay, so it's a CSV file. Okay, and they provide some zip file only. So in the zip file we have this is assume this is a profile picture. So this profile picture they provide. So this is a profile picture name. This is picture name 212211672196. Okay, so here the thing is with the extension they added the .jpg. Okay, suppose in this requirement, if an image is not provided in the profile, then we have to provide default image. Okay, so if this profile picture, this profile picture name and which is the given in this directory, if it is not mapped, or if it is not matched, then we have to provide a default profile pic. Okay. Okay, so this data we can store in our SQL database also, and this code we can upload into my GitHub account. So we able to see you can download and you can modify this source code. So for this requirement, I'm going to use the Django web framework. Okay, so this is my Django web framework. So this like a teacher directory. So in this media folder, I have all the profile picture, and this is my default profile pic. If the profile pic does not map, then this profile pic I will upload to my application. So these are the functions. Let's start the server. Okay, so this is my view function. This view function only the entire application. So this is the importer bulk. We can input all the data into the database server. It is a data view, and this is a filter the profile. We are going to use a query. This is a profile picture, and in the requirement we don't have adding a teacher. So here we can add a teacher profile. Okay, the server is successfully started. Now open the browser. Okay, assume this is our teacher directory. So he said that login is required, but we don't require to registration and activation. So by default, we can provide admin as the login ID, admin as a password. So login. And these are all the requirement I kept inside this homepage. So when we click importer, then what happen? All the function will be imported. So all the data from this CSV file will be imported into our database. So I use the SQL database here. Import. Okay, so data is imported. Now you can click view. See, this is all the data. So these are all the data we added. So in the one of the requirement, teacher does not teach more than 5 subjects. Okay, so in your data set, so assume that the Martha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Martha will teach a 6 subject. Okay, but we don't require that Martha. So according to the requirement, the who teaches the below 5 subject only, those profile we require. And suppose here we can add the extra information which is not available in the name. So Alex, last name Malak, email address Alex, code Charik, email.com, phone number 9849098490, room number 141, subject Java, Python, AI, learning. Okay, add this data. See, so Alexa Malak. So I didn't provide any profile picture. So this is a default profile picture. It has been selected. Okay, now click on logout. Now we have to test the requirement in the teacher directory. So this is the directory. You can click here, and we can filter here. A. We found a lot of the record. Alex. Okay, we found the Alex. Click here profile picture. We will get the Alex information. So teacher profile pic. Click here. So we have London profile picture. So we will get a profile picture perfectly. So this is first name is Leticia, last name is London, email address some data. So this is a room number and this is a subject she teaches. Okay, so now I think all this requirement is satisfied. So this complete code has been implemented with the Django web framework. So I hope you know about how to implement the Django web framework. And here I used some W3 school templates. Okay, so if you want, you can modify a lot. This code, source code also I can upload in my GitHub account, and you can find this requirement file also. Yeah, thank you.